everyone, we have made it almost into the park. We are going to Universal's Islands of Adventure and we're here for early park hours. We got here at like 7:30. The park opens at 8 and there's already quite a few people here, as you can see, but we're gonna see how quickly we can get in and hopefully get on Hagrid's. So we'll let you know how that goes, but it is an absolutely gorgeous morning.
Platforms 9 3/4.
3/4? We don't do quarters here, friends. You head up, we have platforms 9 and 10, and you'll find something there.
Marty, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Join the expedition to confirm my thesis on Gigantopithecus primates. Specifically, Megaprimate is called. I wasn't prepared for what we found. No one was. How do you prepare for a place like this? When trouble's coming. And we usually run right into it.
Hello everyone, so lovely to see you. I'm very happy.
least we have desserts for today. Only for today, yeah.
Only a couple.
That's not just sustainable business. We have some savory things.
Welcome to Ollivanders, makers of fine wands, since 382 BC. I am the wand keeper. No two Ollivander wands are the same, just as no two unicorns, dragons, or phoenixes are quite the same. Water them for me. Concentrate, give your wand a wave, and say Aguamenti. That is definitely not your wand. You see those boxes on that high shelf up there? I want you to levitate one of them for me. Concentrate, give your wand a swish and a flick, and say Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Reparo. Those of us who have studied wand lore know that the wand chooses the wizard, but it is not always clear why. Perfect fit. The wand learns from the wizard, and the wizard from the wand. Off you go.
You having a good day? Yeah! All right, we've got a really good show for you. My guest this week, makeup artist Mark James.
I'm dying!
Why are you applauding that? Kind of an odd weirdo.
Great job.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, this is it! My life is at stake!
I guess I'll die like that joke. All right. Are you dead?
I'm dead.
Okay, Mark James! everybody.
1, 2, 3! Ah! Nice. 2, 3! Whoa! That was great. Why'd you stop us?
There are a lot of kids in the audience.
You want me to cut a kid?
No?
Good evening. I'm the Hogwarts Sorting Hat. There's nothing I can't see. So try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindor, where dwell the brave at heart. You might belong in Hufflepuff, where they are just and loyal. Or yet, in wise old Ravenclaw, if you've a ready mind, or perhaps cunning folk use any means to achieve their ends. So, just try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be.
All right, you guys, we are back at the hotel after an amazing day. Oh my gosh, this day has been so much fun. We are wrapping up our night. We're gonna try to get as much sleep as we can, and tomorrow is Volcano Bay, and we will share that with you. We'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.